水源 Market.
Okay.
I want to buy real cakes.
Which one do you like better, the green or the?
I like the red cake. I don't like butter.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the raised pork rice as well. I don't like bubble tea.
오,
So much, way too much.
I really want stinky tofu. Up here.
Okay,
I think that's good.
okay, it's a good choice. I don't like.
okay, thank you, principal.
Yeah. Where do you want to put? If you want to put B, you can move. Or you want to put S, then you can move.
Which one don't you like?
说到什么可以调整位置
That one?
，S 是最爱的
That one?
，A 就是刺激，那 B 就是比较不喜欢。
You think pizza is better? Okay.
Thank you, Zoe.
It's your turn.
Raise.
你怎么改掉那么贴的哎？
对，可以交换。
你怎么改掉了？
Because 为什么？
厉害吗？能不能能不能是我贴的啊？
你们老师建议。Okay.
那风腿是我贴的啦，那个是我贴的。
Okay. Thank you. 你们老师
改掉。
Beef noodles. Okay.
Beef noodle.
Okay. Okay.
Beef noodles depends where you buy it, not always.
Okay.